Kesana tatapang lukaku, kering depatku, kaluguran daka kasi agyasa ng mimiwas ko, paano mo manasakit ko, kaluguran daka o'y tamo. Pinabingitan na kami, miso nung malyari mo pinakita na ka, please, so nigay na mamalyari, adwa ka tamong may sabi, ang kaluguran na ka, bilang beses ko lang sinabi, ikwayo ng may kawani, ikwayo may kalas, ikwayo na rin na sila, ang puso ay alas, sinapak niya mong balas, ang puso kong may pik, hindi nanas ko, kakadyo panayati, noong balo mo mo sana, o nagawang ko rin, ay nisabyan ko na, kaluguran na ka kasi, noong may pulumangot, nalugong malasakit, basta ikasaya ka, anak ka malasakit, ngayon ang buri mo, apanagdaman ko, yakuwari manamdaman ko, tamalit, pataminat ko, ang mga palwa ko, uling alana kong iwanan, o papawal ko, eto sana tatapang luka ko, kering depat ko, kaluguran daka kasi, agyasa ng mimiwas ko, paano mo manasakit ko, kaluguran daka o'y tamo.
Huwag kang magtaka kung ito'y nakakaka, papigilin niya dahil mahal kita, kaluguran na ka ay yung malasakit ko, palo mo para sa'kin napakasakit, mas makakabuti na ako'y umiwas dahil sa ayokong masaktan, ayokong mabalisa, mas mabuting mag-isa kahit maparalisa, di mapakalisa, sitwasyon ko na sa arkabladong kalagayan, gusto ko laging tagayan, bakit di mo ko damayan, halika ako'y damayan, hanggang sa'ko'y malasing at tuluyang mampraning, pag natulog ako neng, sana di na magising, ayoko na ganto, ayoko na ganyan, ayoko na makita, baka lalong masaktan, ayoko umiyak, ubus na aluwa ko, kaya paalam na mahal ako na alalayo.
Eto sana tatapang luka ko, kering depat ko, kaluguran daka kasi, agyasa ng mimiwas ko, paano mo manasakit ko, kaluguran daka o'y tamo.
The feeling within this tune, you could be feeling the feeling too. You could be so in L-O-V-E-D-T, she has a boy. This girl has got this kid's up, but this kid has not got hers. Somebody else already took it just because he had came first. But I'm not just gonna stay here and do nothing at all about it. I don't shout shit, I write lyrics, know the studio I come out there. She's saying he loves her so much, but mine is times 1,000. Rhymes I could write a trillion, sing to her up on the mouth. I had a vision of me and her married, now I can't get over her. I don't know why I won't leave my mind, this supernatural girl. In fact, you know what, yo, I think she's an angel. I really want us to be together, but I don't think I'm able to. Anything is possible, I like her more than myself. I like her and it's distracting me and also my health. I can't sleep well, cause I'm always thinking of her. I can't sit down or relax, cause I'm waiting for my turn.
Eto sana tatapang luka ko, kering depat ko, kaluguran daka kasi, agyasa ng mimiwas ko, paano mo manasakit ko, kaluguran daka o'y tamo.
Paalam ang lumalabas sa aking labi, sa lahat ng nangyari sa akin mo na isisi. Mahal kita ngunit kailangan lang, pagkat di nakayanan ng mga hadlang. Ikaw ang unang bumitaw at iniwan ako, luhay pumatak, bakit ba nagkaganito? Sumabay sa ulan ang pagpatak ng aking luha, sana ay kayakap kita. Huwag mo sana kalimutin ang pag-ibig na inalay ko, dahil minamahal kita kahit ako'y lumalayo. Sana alam mo nasasaktan ako, dahil minamahal kita.
Eto sana tatapang
inalay ko.
No ballistas, just with the man.